Good morning, Miss. Good morning, classmates. I'm here to discuss about the man-made pollution. So there are four types of man-made pollution, which is the air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and radioactive pollution. So for the air pollution, it is occurred when harmful chemicals or particulate matter are introduced into the atmosphere. Depending on the severity, air pollution can damage human and animal health, as well as the natural environment. Major contributors to air pollution are transportation, industry, and agriculture, which respectively release large amounts of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and methane into the atmosphere. Furthermore, as air pollution changes the chemical compositions of the atmosphere, it can lead to systematic change in the climate change. So, the next of air pollution is the water pollution. Water pollution occurs as body of water, which is the ocean, lakes, rivers, streams, aquifers, and atmospheric water become contaminated by man-made waste substances. Water contamination can have adverse effects on human health. For instance, when drinking water sources are contaminated and surrounding ecosystems. Pollution of local water systems can occur through individual activities. For example, disposing of consumer detergents down sewer drains. Industry or agricultural, such as runoff of chemical fertilizer. So, the third man-made pollution is the soil pollution. Soil pollution occurs as harmful man-made substances leached into the soil. These can be used by pesticides, runoff, leakage of underground storage, tanks, dumping, percolation, or contaminated surface water to lower soil strata or the presence of landfills. Soil contamination by man-made pollutants can have devastating consequences to ecosystem as contaminants travel up to the food chain from the plants to higher carnivores. Contamination of soil used for agriculture or in proximity to a public drinking water source can have similarly dire consequences for human health. The last man-made pollution is the radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution can result from the improper disposal of nuclear waste, the accidental discharge of core material from the nuclear power plant, or the detonation of a nuclear explosive device. Depending on the type of nuclear material present, radioactive contamination can last for decades, as each nuclear isotope has its own half-life. Ionizing radiation is destructive to living tissue and can cause chronic illnesses, particularly forms of cancer, mutation, and in large doses, death immediately following exposure. So that's all for my topic, which is the man-made pollution. I hope you learned something. God bless.